In case you missed it, Etsy just got a $1.4 billion cash infusion, but they also, after this, laid off a bunch of people. So what does this mean for you as an Etsy seller? What's my take on this? What could it mean for Etsy's future? Because this is kind of a big deal. So let's talk about this a little bit more. Here's an article from E-commerce Bytes where they kind of go into talking about this and what the new CEO, Kruti Patel, says about it, because everyone's kind of looking at her like, hey, this is kind of a little weird. Why would you lay off 200 employees? And 6 days after getting this huge cash infusion. Well, it seems like a big cash infusion, but they actually lost money. So they sold Depop, and they actually lost money on the deal. So this is recovering some of that cash, but it's not like what it seems. It's not like just profit. Where they did the cuts was product and engineering. So that's the team that builds and runs the actual platform, features that you use every single day. That's who rolls out a lot of the new changes that you see with the platform that maybe you like or you dislike, depending on your stance. So when the company trims people who build the product, the roadmap usually is shifting as far as like where they're trying to go. So the CEO framed it as acting from a position of strength and getting ready to plan for 2027. She said it's not about cutting costs and not driven by AI, which may or may not be true. It is kind of nice that she said that, because a lot of companies are just being like, hey, AI, because of AI, we're cutting all this staff. So she didn't come right out and say that. And a lot of people that are cutting people to be replaced by AI are finding out that it's more expensive to do that, to actually work with AI to refine it. So it's not as beneficial as it may seem, and they're probably not preparing enough for it, and they're just trying to shove a square into a round hole, right? With just trying to make AI replace everything. And there's a lot of things that needs work. It's not as easy as just simply replacing people with AI. The CEO also said the future depends on combining talented people with new technology, not replacing one with the other. So we'll see kind of what happens. So a couple other things that matter is Elliott Management, which is an activist investor, took a 13% stake in Etsy back in 2024 and got a board seat. And their partner still sits on Etsy's board today. And the same firm went after eBay in 2019. Activist investors push for leaner operations and higher stock returns, which usually means efficiency over experimentation. I mean, this is the case. Obviously, if you're publicly stock traded, they're always concerned with the dollar, with the profits at the end of the day. So what this could mean for Etsy's future is leaner product engineering team likely means fewer new seller tools or slower, more focused roadmap. Expect Etsy to double down on whatever moves GMS and revenue. So this is basically a gross sales and revenue, and cut side bets such as like the Depop sale, right? They're kind of refining their focus and not going off in tangents, which could be a good thing. But also there could be more pressure to raise revenue per sale, which means new fees, ad pushes, subscription features, which may or may not be a good thing. Obviously, no one likes fees, but if some of the Etsy Plus subscription features get better like they have been, that could be a good thing for sellers to give them more tools to be successful. Also, a more focused Etsy could mean better core buyer experience or a platform that squeezes seller harder. Both are kind of on the table, like I was just saying. So we'll kind of see what happens as things shift. So they're getting ready for 2027. They're obviously, AI is changing the game. Etsy is still a huge marketplace leader. They're one of the top sales platforms out there. So I don't see them going anywhere. So we will see if they get a little bit more focused, they get a little bit more buttoned up with some of the things that they're doing. I know some of the less frequent changes could be a thing that people like, because people just hate changes. But we'll see. I mean, obviously, there's been a huge push to kind of make things better for sellers because they did so bad under Josh Silverman for such a long time. So hopefully they learn from that and aren't just going to try and squeeze sellers harder. So they got to tote the line. They got to keep their investors happy, but they also have to keep their sellers happy. because that's who drives the platform at the end of the day. And Etsy is profitable. They did, have a strong last quarter. So things are going well, which is good for a seller if you're building your business on the platform. So we'll see as things come. So a lot of this remains to be seen as far as how the future is going to play out for the Etsy platform. Like any big business, there's always going to be changes. There's going to be layoffs, especially now with the changing environment. So we will see what happens. And if you guys want more help growing your Etsy business, kind of taking the AI stuff and putting it into actionable workflows that you could use to save time, save money, save hours, make your life a lot easier, jump in here to the Etsy Games community. There's a link below. I'll help you with your Etsy shop. I'll help you with SEO. I'll help you with AI workflows. We have an entire classroom built on AI automations, so you can automate as much as possible in your business, social media, Pinterest. Also, there is foundational classes, Etsy Success Roadmap, lots of stuff in here to help you grow your business, entire Etsy prompt vault of cool prompts you can use with AI, plus an amazing supportive community where you can get help, get support, and not grow your business alone. Just a couple bucks to join. It's an investment in your business and your future. We have a lot of people in here doing amazing things. It's so super positive, super motivational. So I'd love to see you in there if you want more help growing your business and you don't want to be alone in your journey. But hopefully that helps you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Have an amazing rest of your day.